Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
As you are all aware, the government has been overtaken by a terrorist group, the Taliban, who have been terrorizing the people for the past 20 years, over 20 years. And now they are coming and they're trying to implement their laws and rules which are totally against the morality of the people, which everyone is opposing, they're scared of. And now they have come in and taken the whole government, they are running everything in the country. And us, we as people, as the citizens in Afghanistan, are afraid of what they are going to do to us. What's going to happen in the future once they completely take control of everything. We have families, members, us in our own families who worked for the previous government in different sectors, and we know that they will not leave them. They might say that they are coming in peace now, but that's not the way we know them. That's exactly what the opposite what they will do. And I request other countries to pay more attention. I request the people of India, the government of India, to pay more attention to the problem we are going through, what we are facing right now. I just need you to know that after this is what our countries, our people's future depend on, this moment, and after this will realize the future. And please pay more attention to Afghanistan, the situation right now.